What's up, everyone? Welcome to MPV Vlogs. My name is Mark Plant, and we are opening our Christmas present today. What's up, everyone? My name is Mark Plant, and this is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for coming in. I do appreciate it. We're going to be opening up my Christmas present here. I'm not going to go through the full unboxing and everything like that. I'll give you the impression of how easy it was to put this thing together once I've put it together. There's a ton of unboxing, as you can see. But what I have here, it's a Skill 15 amp 10-inch bevel sliding miter saw. I'm going to be retiring my Delta Shopmaster, which I'm probably going to try to sell, see if I can get any money for it. My old chop saw works beautiful. Just I needed something a little more powerful, so hopefully this will do the trick. So I'm going to open this up. Once I get it together and everything, I'll give you my impression. Like I said, I'll give you my impression of putting it together. So let's open it up. The installation was really easy. It was just a matter of putting on the carrying handle, one of the fences, and the clamp, and the bag on the back, the dust bag, which I'll probably take that off and hook it up directly to my shop vac. But this was fairly simple. Now what I want to do is I want to check, make sure everything's square. From what I understand, should be pretty much right out. Let's see if this fits. So we'll bring this down. It's not going to fit. Darn it. We need some smaller. Let's see. That is dead on for 0. That is beautiful. Okay. Let's loosen this up. Let's rotate her. See, that's the problem I'm going to have. I don't have enough room in the back. See if I can rotate 45 this way. So we'll rotate to 45. Set the blade. Dead on. Dead on. Perfect. Beautiful. Okay. One of the things, the reason why I was looking at this saw, it's not top of the line. It's not $500-600 saw. I don't need a $500 or $600 saw at this point. But some of the things that it does have, it has a laser guide light, clamps, adjustable fences, okay, and these supports at the end, which I gotta figure out how to take those out, slide those out. I thought they would just slide, and they're not. Wonder. Huh. If they would just slide, but they don't. But what this also has with these fences, I've got some screws here so I can make a sacrificial fence when I'm cutting small items, or if I want to set a specific size to cut. So yeah, this looks pretty good. So we say let's set this back to 0, which everything's going to be in the way. Okay. We got that at 0. And I don't know whether it'll pick up, but down here it has slots for standard angles. That is beautiful. I like that. I like that I can lock this. Even though it's in a groove, I'm going to lock it, because you never know, it could slide out. So, we say we make a cut here. Let me get a pair of safety glasses out. Always safety. Protect your eyes and your fingers and everything else. So let's get a piece of wood here to cut. There we go. Got a nice scrap right here. Let's see, make sure that the cord is out of the way. cut that right like that. It's got a little flip on the handle here. And then we squeeze. Here we go. Nice cut. Let's get my square. Come on, line up there. Perfectly square. Okay. Let's do that. Let's try a miter cut. Unscrew that. We will go to 45. There's a groove, so it'll go right into it. Okay. Let's take this. Put the wood on it. Nothing in my way. Flip the little. Perfect 45 cut. Absolutely perfect. That is what I'm looking for. My old saw over here, the Delta, it's off a little bit. It wobbles a little bit. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, I can make some stuff with this now. So, I'll give you reports as I'm making things, let you know whether it's worth it for what I'm using. But right now, it looks like it's going to be perfect. Only issue I have is I got to clear out a little bit of room because I need for the sliding. So, yeah, let's try that. So let's get this back to 0. Get that clamp on there holding the wood really well. So what I'm going to do is a slide cut. Now, from what I understand, when you want a slide cut, you want to come out and go in. Let's make sure this slide now. Okay, so we pull the slide out. So let's do a slide cut here. There we go. Now, that end was not very square. You come over here. Perfectly square now. I like this. This is going to be nice. This is going to be very nice. I'm happy so far. This is a nice saw. Alright. My memory card got full on the last one. I forgot to empty other files that were on it. But basically that was the setup and just basically showing you the saw that I got. I do have a lot of testing to do on it to make sure that it does work the way that I want it to. But as of right now, I'm happy with it. So, yeah. Skill saw. 10-inch, 15 amp. Seems like it's worth the money. It's not that expensive, really, when you look at it. But like I said, I didn't spend $500-600 on a saw. But for my home use and what I'm going to use in my small shop here, it's going to be great. So thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Like I've said, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button down on the bottom. It really helps me out. If you're already a subscriber, I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. You're the reason why I'm able to do this stuff, so thank you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. That's it. So I'll be creating more videos with the saw and other woodworking projects that I'm doing. So please follow the channel. I'll be back to you guys again real soon.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Uh. Yeah. Yeah.